Hello friends, so welcome back to your own channel, that is We Are in Techno World, right? So in this lecture I will tell you about intelligent agents, right? So what do you mean by intelligent agents? Intelligent agents means the programs, right? Intelligent agents kya hai? These are the programs that helps in sensing and performing the action. That means, like, if you want to deploy some of the intelligent agents, then they must have the sensors so that they could sense the environment, and with the help of that they could intelligently behave, right? So you could understand this intelligent agent with the help of this definition. For example, this intelligent agent is equals to the AI program. Okay, it's not a human. This intelligent agent is not a human. It's a kind of AI program, right? Because in the background number of algorithms are working, right? In the background number of algorithms are basically has been created to perform or to sense the environment with the help of these intelligent agents. Just like you could say the example that is of chatbot, right? In many of the websites we are having like the different chatbots. So these chatbots are one example of intelligent agent. So in the definition, what we could write? We could write that intelligent agent is something that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon the environment through actuators, right? So you could understand this with the help of this diagram. For example, this is your environment, right? Environment could be like any place or anything. Environment could be the human body, means to predict the disease, right? We are having some of the intelligent agent in case of health field as well, right? We could have some of the environment, or you could say like the classroom is one environment. The for example, if you are at home, so home is one environment. If you are going outside in the market, then market is one other environment. That means the environment could be anything, and in different environment and at different applications we could deploy these intelligent agents, right? So for that purpose, like, we are having the intelligent agents. That means with the help of sensors we could sense our environment. Okay, so that means with the help of these sensors the agent would percept the environment first. It would percept like how exactly the environment is right now. Then based on that, like, the effectors would take the action. Means effectors basically, with the help of this the actuators are taking the action, right? These effectors are like helping the actuators to work for that purpose, right? For example, you could say like, as soon as I'm just going outside, right, out of the home I'm just going, and I have sensed that today there's a thunderstorm, right, or today's a rain. So, like, if there's a rain, that means you have to come back and you have to take the action for that. That means you have to take the umbrella from your home so that you could go outside. So, this is what, for that purpose, for sensing the environment, like, what you have, what you are doing, you are taking the action. And for taking this action, like, the effectors would help you. For example, the hands and the legs would help you out to take the action, that particular action, right? After that, these actuators work. Means with the help of leg you have just like run back so that you could take the like umbrella, right? But the actual who is taking the action? These actuators, right? So this is how the intelligent agents work, right? After that, you could say that what is intelligent agent? So in artificial intelligence, an agent is a computer program or a system that is designed to perceive its environment, to make the decisions, to take the action, and to achieve a specific goal or to set the goal. That means, like, you could say, like, these intelligent agents first of all sense or percept the environment just like human, like with the help of sensor, just like eyes, nose, ears, like they are just sensing the environment first. After that they would take the action. For example, one hot pot is set on the gas, right? And this is very hot, and as soon as you would touch it, then obviously it's very hot. So that is why like some action would be performed now, whether it would be blow down, right? So it could be happen. So that means depend upon the situation, the action would be taken, right, by sensing the environment. So for what are the roles of intelligent agents? So the three main roles for intelligent agents are that an intelligent agent must be able to perceive the environment. The first thing is like here, the sensors would play one important role, that AI agent must be able to perceive the environment, because if the agent would not be able to sense the environment, then it would be very problematic, right? After that, you can't take any action because your senses are not working properly, right? So for that purpose, your sensor must be working very well. Then rule number two says that the environmental observations must be used to make the decisions. That means like you have to read your environment, right? If we talk about the self-driving car, so in case of that, we are having some intelligent agents, right? So we must have the intelligent agents who could sense the environment. For example, it's a car, right? So for sensing that complete car, like some observation must be done, right, by the sensor, and the effectors or actuators must be able to take the decision. Then the third rule says that the decision should result in action, right? As soon as like you would sense the environment, then you must have to take the action for that. Then only intelligent agent could work, right? So here is the main role of intelligent agent, and we are having some of the examples in case of that. For example, AI assistants, right? AI assistants, just like you could say chatbot, right? In many of the websites, we are having the chatbot, means automatically like there's one chatbot would be present as soon as you would log in into it. Hi, I'm Sam. Like, how could I help you? So this is what these are the intelligent agents who are working basis on the like history of the customer, right? They are reacting based on the history, right? So even though we are having Alexa, Siri, right, these are the small intelligent agents. With the help of that, they are listening our voice, and accordingly they are performing our commands, right? So these are one of the best examples of intelligent agents, because Alexa is set at one place, and we are giving command from different places. For example, play the song, right? So this is what Alexa is listening our voice, and accordingly it is searching it onto the server, right? And after that the output would be given, right? And these are some of the examples in case of intelligent agents. Even though we are having some of the examples in case of voice recognition, even though the Google map, right? So in different kind of application, these intelligent agents are has been deployed. Even though in case of HR recruitment as well, we are having one chatbot for recruiting some of the personals, right? So we are having many of the chatbots, and you could understand it with the help of this lecture, right? So just go through it in it and understand it in very clearly manner, right? So thank you so much.